Yo, wangiqala ukuthola i-DStv engajabula because you've got a lot of opportunity to watch different channels, you know.
Wars are coming.
As soon as ngithola i-DStv, could watch super sport channels, yeah, one.
All the way through, it's got in!
Yeah, I'm a fan of tennis, yeah.
Another surprise channel would be Mzansi Magic. You know, catch up what's going on over there. There's always a story going on.
Lokho kwenzekile ngizakuhlawulela. Umanje wena ngobula xolisa.
Ndingawa licoshwe isinkukhu.
Umameza sekasi fela yabo. Local select.
King wajola. Wajola. King.
No, ke jole man wante matsa. Batho.
The Queen standard the game Mzansi Magic.
Mama gampona. Ke tla go klapa.
I think the other shows that get my attention would be the series or soapies.
You broke the #1 rule in policing. You left your firearm unattended.
Le comedy ke na le ishebela sometimes, yabo.
So you can delete that one.
No, I'll listen to it just to be sure.
No, come on. No one listens to voicemails anymore. Get with it, Grandma.
Ngibuke amashow lawa okudla la kuphekwa khona.
This is such a fun thing to serve if you're watching a big game on TV.
What we normally watch as a family, because the kids are there, so we accommodate abantwana. Mapopai.
What is he doing here? You don't think he's related to us, do ya?
Now, Ben, don't do anything rash.
Whenever I'm told his card, I just make sure that I try catch up on all the shows that I like.
I want my stuff.
Mangise campaign nginayo efonini DStv now.
Yeah, DStv chintshile that in the pie.
Content for days. Choose my ketela.